Let's now go to fibromyalgia. Let's discuss regional acupuncture treatment for middle back and lower back. The main channels involved in fibromyalgia pain in the middle of the back are the bladder and the governing vessel. The muscles underlying the muscle channels of the bladder and governing vessel in the mid-back are as follows. Here, we can see the points of the middle back for fibromyalgia. For the bladder channel, there's bladder 42, and then the governing vessel, the points are DO12, DO11, DO10, and DO8. The regional acupuncture treatment for middle back or the bladder, if if it's superficial, it's the latissimus dorsi, trapezius, spinalis longissimus. For deep, it's erector spinae, serratus posterior inferior. For just strategic points to use, there's bladder 42, do 12, do 11, do 10, and do 8. Next is the lower back. The muscle channel influencing the lower back is the bladder muscle channel, and the superficial and deep muscles are as follows. For the bladder, there's the bladder 23, bladder 25, and bladder 26. These are the points for lower back for fibromyalgia. For regional acupuncture treatment for the lower back, if it's superficial, the latissimus dorsi or spinalis longissimus. For deep, it's erector spinae. The strategic points would be bladder 23, bladder 25, and bladder 26. Thank you for your